Let me share one story here, another story here of empowerment of the beautiful girl. It happened in one of the conference where her dad was a speaker. So during this coffee break, when the people met him and wanted his business card, Kannan said he didn't have one. He had just retired from his corporate career. So seeing that this beautiful girl just got up, she spoke to these people. She was watching them promptly and got up and offered her card with her name on it. She spoke to those people and pointed to her card that reads Karishma Kannan and said, I am Karishma and this is Kannan, my dad. The HR conference that day was all about empowerment, and this experience was so apt and profound for all of them. So I'm talking about none other than Karishma Kannan. Her journey, Karishma's journey as an artist and also contributing member of society began during her stay in Vietnam. It was her very first solo exhibition in 2011 when all her paintings were sold out. The family did not want to look at this as a commercial opportunity and were still undecided of how to channelize these funds. It was during this exhibition Karishma met a cute little boy who was not keeping well, and she happened to meet the mother, and the mother explained to Karishma that he was not keeping well and he had a heart problem. So this incident had a deep impact on Karishma, and during one of the family discussions, she suggested that she wants to help this baby with her earnings out of her paintings. Thereafter, till date, all the funds from sale of her paintings has been given to charity. She has adopted 4 infants and heart surgeries in Vietnam and continues to help several special schools in India and Vietnam. Over 150 paintings have been sold across several countries. So this is the story of this beautiful girl called Karishma Kannan. Let me just show you the journey of Karishma Kannan. We have a small video, a short video of hers, and we'll be playing right now. Please enjoy the video, and we will invite Karishma.
This is a story of grit, determination, challenges, transitions, accomplishments, and inspiration. This is the story of Karishma Kannan. Born as a preterm baby in 1991 in Chennai, India, Karishma Kannan received infant stimulation from her caring family, and she gradually responded to early intervention from Matra Mandir, now known as the DSFI, during the first couple of years of her life. Growing up, Karishma started showing a keen interest in performing arts, like drama, theatre, and classical dance forms, and so she pursued her pre-vocational skills in this field, and also serving as an ambassador for NGOs, felicitating celebrities at events. In 2008, Karishma moved to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam with her family. Her parents and her sibling worked towards converting every transition into a better opportunity for Karishma. Soon she learned to paint, and she developed the skill under the inspiring guidance of her art teacher, Miss Cindy Beaumont. Karishma's journey from weakness to strength as a contributing member of the society began in 2011. Karishma, as an artist, has sold more than 130 paintings through her exhibitions and auctions, raising funds more than $72,000 US. Her donations have supported 4 infant heart surgeries and provided financial support to special schools in Vietnam and India. Karishma's work has been recognized and appreciated in India and internationally. Her paintings find a place of pride in some homes of art lovers in the US, Europe, Australia, Asia, and of course in India. Upon returning to India from Vietnam, Karishma has fulfilled her lifelong dream of starting a studio and a recreation center called Studio 21 Up. And her mission is to create a holistic and inclusive space for people with Down syndrome to learn, grow, share, and enjoy life as independent young adults. Karishma participated in the World Down Syndrome Congress 2014 and she was presented an award for excellence in recognition of her outstanding achievements. She was again awarded for her self-advocacy by Down Syndrome Federation of India at the India International Down Syndrome Congress in 2018. She is passionate about starting a cafe for special young adults in Bangalore. Her parents are helping her in this initiative. Karishma continues to inspire one and all.
Wow, what a inspirational video it was. Have a huge round of applause for Karishma. And Karishma, can you share your journey with us? We are eagerly waiting to hear you out.
Hi, I'm Karishma Kannan. I'm a self advocate. I'm artist. I'm 29 years old girl. I am artist. I love to paint and dance. I model. I walk a ramp.
Wow.
To fashion show. I have my own studio. Studio 21 up. I teach yoga, Zumba, and I have camps in my studio. More friends come. My studio have camps. Housekeeping, life skills, cooking, painting. So many I do in my studio. Like a big family. My family is sent. My sent.
Hey, Karishma, Salma here.
Very inspiring, Karishma.
Yes, Karishma. Karishma, can you just tell me about your hobbies?
My hobby,
Yes.
swimming, bowling. I travel many countries. On this
Wow.
went many countries. 19 countries I went. Oh,
Wow.
Wow.
I
Okay.
make more friends.
Can you tell me about your dreams which you have?
My dream. My
Yes.
dream is I want to make my coffee shop, give more friends
Wow.
my job, earn more money, be independent, be confident.
Wow, that's wonderful.
I feel included and included.
So, do you love coffee?
Yeah, every day I drink coffee. But
Okay, do you have any challenges? Do you have any challenges and what are they?
yes, I have more family challenges.
Yep.
Like, like all have challenges. Like me, I cannot
Mm.
read and write. I'm very slow. I cannot read and write. I'm slow. I'm very nervous with it. But it's okay.
Yes, it is
I have to
okay.
talk all of you. I express my
Love you.
feeling.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's
I
beautiful.
love you. I love you all. Do you love me?
Yes, of course. We
Yes.
all love you, Karishma.
We love you.
We all love you.
Thank you.
Okay, Karishma, we all love you. But do you have any message for all of us and to the world?
Yes, my message. Message is believe in yourself. I can, you can, we all can. Don't see disabled. Say definable. Same thing, but different. We all one big family.
Yes, we are one
Happy
big
family.
family. Yes, happy family. Can
Very
you tell me about your family?
My my fam, my sister, my father, my mother, and me care for family. One big umbrella.
Wow, one big happy family.
My
And can
husband
you,
in Australia.
would you like to talk about your sister?
Yeah, my cousin in Australia. He's working lawyer, corporate law in Australia.
Wow. So how about your
I'm with
parents?
my cousin.
Yes. That was a beautiful story we heard.
Go to Australia.
Yes.
What time? What to do?
Yeah.
I'm
Do
sorry.
you miss her? Yeah. Do you miss her?
Yes, I miss my sister cousin.
Hmm. Hmm.
The Keiko
Wow.
family. I am at my ring.
Mhm.
For
Mhm.
yes.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Thank you, Karishma, for honoring us to, and giving us an opportunity to hear you out.
Yes,
It's
thank you.
So thank you, Karishma. Thank you so much for being with us.